So recently, a lot of gamers like us are facing this issue that the UE4 Redout game has crashed and will. So this is a fatal error that is this notification is keep popping up in many people's PC or laptop. So I will show you how to solve this issue and why is this issue happening with all of us. Many users are having high-end system specification, but still they are also facing the same message. Why is this happening? How to fix this error? There are three ways. First, update the drivers if the gamer system requirements are matched. One way is to fix by updating the graphics driver. Second is the go to the local files tab and verify the integrity of game files and restart the game. Third is the disable antivirus. Some antivirus tends to make the gaming file as virus might result in fatal error message. So these are the three ways by which you can fix this. If not, if I found another method, I will add in the description or in the comment box. So you can tell your experience.